So here we have the start button. Pull that out. We have the starter, and you have to push hard on that to get it to go. The alternator, which we don't touch, and the choke for like this morning when I couldn't get started. And there's the clutch and the brake and the gear shift. And on a tractor, you don't shift while you're moving. You have to stop and push in the clutch and shift. So that also makes for some interesting jolts, popping the clutch. So that's how you operate the VAC 1945 Case tractor. Bye!